Yes, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I promise to give you some update once I resume. Uh, if you've not heard, you need to hear from me now, and these are facts that Okowa is having a fraud case with EFCC, and the amount involves about 1.3 trillion naira. 1.3 trillion. That's 1 trillion 300 billion. Then Yahaya Bello is about 110 billion. And the most recent one is that out of the 100 billion loan that was approved to be disbursed to students, about 71.2 billion is missing out of 100. So you'll be hearing some students have gotten loans, they've gotten some facilities. The truth is that 71 out of the 100, 71.2 is missing out of this money. In spite of all this, EFCC does not have any other job to do than to go and arrest VDA. Somebody complained that his mother's funds have been missing based on what the mother told him. As a true son, you have no choice than to support your mother to see how you can recover the money. Went to the bank. A tip-off was given, and the EFCC came and carried them out. Of all, okay, what are your reasons? Maybe by Monday we'll start hearing why it was adopted, and maybe they'll be able to do damage control and whatsoever. So we just leave major things that matters a lot and run after frivolities, things that are very, very irrelevant. What's the problem of VDM? What's the issue with VDM? Okay, apart from that also, recently, I think during the week, okay, last week precisely, last week precisely, the governor of Edo State embarked on demolition of the national headquarters building of MBM in Benin City at Amagba community in Benin. And apart from that, some houses have been demolished lately. Now, when they passed that law, a lot of persons were happy, including me, that our ladies should be able to sanitize the state, and if other states will told us in part to go a long way to help. But our concern is there are procedures to these things. There are procedures to these things. From the law that was approved, or from the law pertaining courtesan and kidnapping, that if your property is being investigated, if the issue is being investigated and the fact that your property is being used. So have they carried out any investigation on that MBM building, that building is being used to perpetrate that crime? Then those houses, those people, have they been arrested? Who did you arrest? What was his confessional statement? Have they gone to court, or is just another part of executive order that you can just go ahead and break people's houses without recourse to the law, and just damn the consequences? Because our system is not working. Obaseki did that to this guy Tony Kabaka, and nothing came out against the law. There were orders on ground restraining the governor there to not to break this person's house, Tony Kabaka. But some persons, some sycophants applauded it. They were so happy. They were so happy about it. And now it has turned against them, and they are now reacting. Me, I'm not on both sides, whether Kabaka or the other side. I'm not on that side at all. But the truth is that our laws are not working. If our laws were working, I don't think Obaseki would have done that to Kabaka. And if not that there's a clear case of see-body fin to our judiciary system, Okpolo will not embark on breaking somebody's house or breaking MBM house without investigating those that have perpetrated the crime. Who did you arrest? I overheard one man say the son for some time have been saying they've been going from one hospital to the other to see how they can revive them, bring back his sanity, and eventually committed murder. Nobody knows if they carried out any due perform any investigation on that matter. You went ahead to break the man's heart. The man is so devastated. Whosoever is on the side of Okowa, they should beg him to restrain from some of these activities. If he doesn't understand the law, he should please. He have lawyers around him now. Instead you are telling everybody around him is just daft, and they tell you do it and nothing will happen. There are laws guiding this. There are principles. There are laws guiding these operations now. They should explain to him proper to understand the step he's taking and the detriment to cause to the government of the land. So the idea of let's do nothing will happen, go to court, because judiciary has been bastardized. Don't you know, go to court, you still go to court. The case will linger. As a poor man, you want to fight them. It's just crazy. Look at very dark man. He's there. Would they do that to other big boys? Eh? They just say, okay, do it, nothing will happen. And some people will be funding that process just to silence the young man. That's one of the biggest platforms that speak for Nigeria population. Once you get his corner, you explain to him what you are passing through. He will fight to the latter to see that you get justice. Some time ago, he said EFCC is corrupt. He has video evidence, he has picture evidence, he has audio evidence to that effect. I'm pretty sure those are things they want to just extract for him to know how detailed he is on that matter. He should just keep quiet, he shouldn't expose himself. Are you getting it? So the country doesn't want anybody to just talk at all. And you look at people that are breaking their houses in Edo State, that most of them are all PDP members, PDP leaders. So your cabinet, all the APC cabinet now, they don't have courtists there. Brother, that time. Even after breaking houses, people are still lighting by people. They still light on the town. They still light on that town, so they talk. So they still light anyhow for that same town. After so some things are not going to work. Don't go and push some people to the wall. Follow due process. So as you break those people, go look for that. If not, well, I wish you know where, sure.